welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This Airbus A350 is struggling to take off as it only has one functioning engine and half its usual power. This was a test at the Airbus factory, simulating an engine failure. This Airbus A380 aborting its landing attempt after touching down too late. This Airbus A380 had an unstable approach, causing it to go around. This Airbus A350 pilot making a super smooth landing in Amsterdam. This F-18 flying low at an air show.
Utvecklat samarbete med just finska flygvapnet.
That's it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.